three people has to travel 75 km. There is a bike that can carry only two people at a time. The bike runs at a constant speed of 25 km per hour. All of them can walk at a speed of 5 km per hour. So what is the shortest time to reach their destination? This is the question. Let's name them A, B and C. There are only two options. Option 1, A and B are traveling by bike and C started walking. A and B reaches the destination and then A return to pick up C. A pick up C and reaches the destination. Option 2, A and B are traveling by bike and C started walking. A drops B at some point and returned back to pick up C. B started walking towards the destination from where he gets down. A pick up C and reaching the destination at the same time of B. Option 2 takes less time than option 1 since traveling time is optimized. Let's divide the entire time into 3, T1, T2 and T3. T1 is the time taken from starting till dropping B at some point. T2 is time taken from A, return back till pick up C. T3 is time taken from pick up C until reaches the destination. Let's derive the equation for A, B and C. A travels the entire duration on bike and his speed is 25 km per hour throughout the travel. Distance covered during time 1 is 25 T1. Distance covered during T2 is 25 T2. Distance covered during T3 is 25 T3. Hence 25 T1 minus 25 T2 plus 25 T3 is equal to the total distance 75 km. Minus symbol is given to show that A travels in a reverse direction. B travels bike during T1 and walks during T2 and T3. Distance covered during T1 is 25 T1. Distance covered during T2 and T3 is 5 T2 and 5 T3 respectively. Hence the equation is 25 T1 plus 5 T2 and 5 T3 is equal to 75. C walks during T1 and T2 and travels on bike during T3. The distance covered during T1 is 5 T1. Distance covered during T2 is 5 T2. Distance covered during T3 is 25 T3. Hence the equation is 5 T1 plus 5 T2 plus 25 T3 is equal to 75. Here 3 equations are formed. Solving this equation we can find T1, T2 and T3. Adding them we can find the shortest time taken to reach the destination.